And so let's just take an opportunity right now to connect with that peace, to allow that peace to shine within our hearts as we move now into a time of meditation. And so we again take this opportunity to turn away from the world around us, to release those thoughts, those feelings, those little distractions, those things that seek to take our mind away from the peace that we are, the peace that is at the center of our being. And as we focus on that peace that we are, that peace that is the presence of God within us, we feel that peace beginning to grow. We feel our awareness of that peace beginning to grow. For in this moment, we realize the truth that that peace is always here, always present. We know beyond knowing in this moment that there is no possible way to divide us from the peace that we are. And so, in this moment, we center our awareness in the divine presence within. Claiming for ourselves, I am peace. I am peace. And we allow that peace to grow within ourselves as we move into the silence, reminding ourselves of the truth that we are peace in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this time, to this place, carrying with us both a sense of peace and a commitment to carry that peace into our world, but also a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the time that we have had to connect with Spirit. Gratitude for the knowledge that Spirit's light and love continues to shine in our hearts. And so it is with that peace and that gratitude that we re-enter our day. And so it is. Amen.